In this video, I will once again show you how to add an audio loop in Giglad. This time, I will add a style in a 7/8 time signature, which I personally use with the Ketron SD90. This style includes variations A, B, C, and D, intro 1 and intro 2, and 4 breaks. The files you see here are originally configured specifically for the Ketron SD90. In order for them to work correctly in Giglad, we only need to make a very small change in the file naming. In Giglad, it is important to add an underscore instead of a space after the file name, followed by the letter T for tempo, and then the tempo value itself. In my case, the tempo is 120. This information must be written in the name of the main folder that contains all the loops. The exact names of the individual loops are not so important. What matters most is that they are recorded with the correct tempo and saved in this specific way. This way, all the necessary information is embedded directly into the loop during the recording process. I will also rename each individual loop, but this step is not mandatory. It is completely optional and depends on your personal preference. Now, let's open Giglad. Next, we open the directory where the Giglad library is stored. We go to the audio loop folder and copy the file that we want to add. Now the file is successfully added to the library, and we are ready to continue. Next, we create a new style. When configuring the style name and parameters, it is very important to set the time signature to 7/8. If a different time signature is selected, the style will not work correctly. After that, I add the first variation and set it to 4 bars. When all the loops are added, you will notice that each loop is assigned to a specific note. It is a good practice to use global note mapping for loop positioning. This way, when I see which note each loop is assigned to, I can easily decide in which variation and at which position I want to place it. This process takes a little time, but the final result is worth it. After we finish creating the entire style and adding all the loops, we just need to save it and that's it. Now let's listen and see what we have created. Before we finish, I would like to mention that this style file will be available completely for free. You can find the download link in the video description. Anyone who wants can download it and use it freely. Thank you for watching my channel. Follow and subscribe to see my next videos, where I will show you how to add the remaining tracks to this style, such as bass guitar, rhythm guitar, and other parts. All the best, and see you in the next video.